And there's also another innovation that we made. It's not well known in the media, that we did with HeyMath. Innovation where we've developed an app, an application, an app on your phone. So children can actually download the question papers, old question papers, and solutions step by step. So some of the kids who are industrious over these holidays, when we were actually celebrating New Year and singing in the streets, I told them, just take every day of your time, just 30 minutes to an hour, just to look at your maths, just to look at your English. And I think that app has actually made a huge difference. And I must also thank HeyMath. Our investment in HeyMath is beginning to show results. You can see that there's quite a number of students now who are getting 90 and above in terms of mathematics. And it's a 6 years partnership. It has been going on very, very well. We are very committed to them. It's an app, it's a company that operates from India. You know the Indians are very, very good in mathematics, but it's also operating all over the world. And then we adapted it when we came in 2009 to our South African conditions.